Hey you guys, Mama Liz here. Wanted to show you guys a quick side dish for supper. And it's green bean casserole. However, everyone thinks that casserole is super hard to make, but the way I do it for a side dish is very, very easy. So, I take 2 cans of green beans. Drain them, make sure you drain them. Pour them into, I use about this size of a bowl. One that you can bake in the oven. Preheat your oven to 350. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. So 2 cans green beans, 1 can cream of mushroom soup. I sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder, just to your liking. It's probably only like a teaspoon. And I'm going to mix that together with the green beans. So I'm mixing the green beans, the cream of mushroom soup, and the garlic powder together. Get it blended pretty well. Typically, I add to my normal green bean casserole that you normally get around Thanksgiving, I will normally add a few slices of Velveeta cheese, but I'm not going to do that for just this side dish for supper. I'm just going to top it with sharp cheddar cheese, freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese that I've already shredded up. Always smell your cheese, make sure it's still good. And I do a pretty heavy topping of it, like it's usually kind of thick. Just cover all the top of the green bean, heavily topped. Can you see that? And then add your French's crispy fried onions to the top of that. And voila. Put it in the oven on 350 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just kind of check on it at 20 minutes. Make sure your French onions are not burning. And it will be ready. Easy, easy side dish. Y'all enjoy.